Assam government has embarked on a mission to protect the state's one-horned rhinos on a war footing. Well, what now comes as Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma-led government's zero-tolerance policy towards illegal rhino horn trade. A total of 2,479 confiscated horns will be confined to frames on September 22nd, which is World Rhino Day. We have a report.
Kaziranga, the very word that paints an imaginary picture of the lush greens, the majestic elephants, wilderness of the eastern swamped deer, and most importantly, the world-famous one-horned rhinoceros. There were just a handful of the one-horned rhinos left when the park was set up a century ago in its current northeastern abode. Now, there are more than 2,400 rhinos. However, a major concern that the authorities have been grappling with over the years is the menace of poaching of rhinos for horn trade. Thanks to the alertness of forest rangers and guards and the steps taken by the Assam government, there has been a considerable decline in poaching activities, with the administration securing to seize over 2,600 pieces of rhino horns currently housed in the state treasuries. Significantly, in what comes as the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma-led Assam government's zero-tolerance policy towards illegal rhino horn trade, a total of 2,479 confiscated horns will be burnt to ashes on the 22nd of September, which is World Rhino Day. The decision to consign the horns to flames was taken at a cabinet meeting recently, chaired by the Chief Minister, in order to bust the myth about rhino horns and consequential poaching. Well, speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, M.K. Yadava, Chief Wildlife Warden of Assam, informed that the whole idea was mooted by none other than Chief Minister Sharma.
We now have 2,479 number of horns which we want to consign to flames on the 22nd.
CM will be here?
In all likelihood, Honorable Chief Minister is expected to join the event, because this event has been, the whole idea was mooted by Honorable Chief Minister himself, and he announced it in the month of July. And we have been working since then towards this goal.
Besides, Mr. Yadava further highlighted that Assam has a long history of auction of rhino horns, during the course of which the best horns were kept in the treasuries. He said that the state has the world's second largest horns, and not just this, Assam also has the heaviest horn, measuring 3.05 kilos and 36 centimeters in height.
Assam has a history of auction of rhino horns annually, and it has been going on for a long time, and the last auction took place in 1979. Even then, some of the best horns were kept. We have the world's second largest and maybe also the largest. We shall determine it on the 22nd by once again measuring all these horns. And the heaviest one-horn rhinoceros horn, measuring 3.05 kgs, that is also with us. Then the third largest horn, which was found in 2017, that is also with us.
Mr. Yadava pointed out that a total of 2,623 horns were examined, kept in 12 treasuries across the state by the Rhino Horn Verification Committee formed in the year 2016. Out of these, 19 were registered to be genuine and 10 others were deemed to be fake horns involved in court cases. Additionally, 21 other fake horns were also marked. Meanwhile, 94 horns have been kept aside for preservation. These horns belong to rhinos which have died of natural causes and will be kept at a Natural History Museum, which will be set up at the Kaziranga National Park.
What we have reconciled is about 2,623 horns in total, which we examined in all respects, out of which 19 genuine and 10 fake horns involved in court cases, and 21 other fake horns. That leaves 50, and after that we have kept 94 horns aside for preservation, which includes some of the oldest horns. We also have some African horns coming from our state zoo, about more than 10 samples.
As such, the other 2,479 rhino horns will be burnt with full dignity by the burning committee in 6 special iron pyres at the Bokakhat Stadium. While preparations are already underway to this effect, it can be said without an iota of doubt that Assam government has embarked on a mission to protect its rhinos in a war footing. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.